Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to give access to your Facebook business page. So let's go to the Facebook biz page first. Now you have to click on this professional dashboard. Before that, make sure you are on your Facebook page, not your regular Facebook account. How you can check this? You have to click on this top right corner, your profile icon or account icon, and you'll find here your Facebook name and your Facebook page name. You have to click on your Facebook page name, then it will switch to your Facebook page account. After that, you have to click on this professional dashboard. Now scroll down till you find page access. Click on page access. Now you have to click on invite people. Then go to Meta Business Suite. Then you have to put here the email address, okay, to send any invitation. But another thing you can do is you can go to directly here, manage community managers. Click on manage, and you have to click on add community manager. Get started. Here you have to name or email. Click on this your name, what you want to add, and you have to click on send invite. After clicking on send invite, the invitation for community manager has been sent. Okay, if he accept this invitation, he will be community manager of your page. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.